Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that DGrid AI token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, DGrid AI is an AI infrastructure project that connects demand for model interference with model providers and distributed node operators through a unified gateway, marketplace, and blockchain based coordination layer. The project is designed to let developers access multiple AI models through a common interface while allowing providers to publish services and receive usage-based payments. The DGrid AI gateway offers an open AI compatible API for accessing more than 200 text, reasoning, coding, image, and multimodals. Developers can use a single endpoint and authentication flow rather than maintaining separate integrations for each provider. The gateway includes routing, provider fallback, usage records, cost control, and model selection tools. DGrid also operates an AI arena where users compare model responses and a model marketplace where model providers can publish available models and redefine pricing. DGrid's decentralized network design analysis. DGrid's decentralized network design assign roles to users, developers, model providers, and node operators. Inference requests are routing to available providers, while verification and settlement components are intended to record service delivery and coordinate payments. The project proof of quality framework is designed to evaluate model responses and node performance, supporting products including Dory, a model selection assistant, and Declaw, a deployment layer for persistent user controlled AI agents. DAGI is the native token used within the DGrid ecosystem. Its intended function include staking by node operators and service providers, payment for AI interface and agent services, distribution of network and ecosystem rewards, and participation in protocol governance. The token uses the BEP20 standard on BNB Smart Chain and is also represented on Arbitrum, one of cross-chain use. DGrid AI token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 150 million DGAI token. DGAI token is listed on Gate.io, KuCoin, MEXC, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.